Hello, up until this tutorial, I showed you how to work with individual posts and pages, but what about managing them on a site-wide basis, such as finding materials, making large-scale changes, importing content, and so on? That's what this video is all about. The starting point for finding posts is the Posts Select All Posts link on the main admin menu. You already know that this brings up a list of your posts, but look closely at the top area of the screen. You can see a menu containing all or some of the following: all, published, draft, private, pending and trash. These menu items are filters for choosing what's displayed on your list of posts. The numbers in brackets, of course, refer to how many there are of that type. On any list of posts, you can reorder them by clicking the title of certain columns. The default order is by date, with the newest posts first, but you can sort by title, comments, or date, either ascending or descending. Often, you'll want to find a listing of all posts in a particular category. There are two ways to do that. In the Categories column, if you click the name of a category, you'll get a list of only the posts in that category. You can do the same with tags. At the top of the screen is a drop-down to view all categories, and from it you select the one to view. Click the filter button when you've made your choice. You can also restrict your list to posts from a certain month. That's the drop-down next to categories. Again, you need to click filter after choosing a month. If you know the name or part of the name of a post, you could use the search function to find it. It searches only the titles of posts, not the body or tags and so on. Also, the search is performed on only the posts you've included through any filtering. So, if you're viewing posts in a particular category, the search is performed only on those posts. Finding pages is slightly different from posts because there are no categories or tags to choose from. You also don't have the excerpt view option. There is still a drop-down date filter, and you can filter pages by their status such as published, draft and so on. You can sort the results on the screen by title, author, and date, and you can perform a search for words or phrases. There are plugins that enable you to customize what information is shown on both the post and page listings screens. There's a very powerful feature on post and page listing screens that enables you to change quickly parameters without going into the actual post or page. It's called Quick Edit, but it's only visible when you mouse over a list item. When you click Quick Edit, it opens up an area within the list item. There's quite a lot you can change through Quick Edit. Remember to press Update on the right after you make any changes. There will be many times when you need to perform the same action on a few or even dozens of posts or pages. That's when bulk actions comes in handy. It's the drop-down at the top left of listings screens. Bulk actions works by checking the box next to any number of list items, choosing an action, and clicking Apply. And this applies to mobile devices as well. The two choices you have for posts and pages are Trash and Edit. If you have to clear out a lot of items at one time, this is handy. I could filter all posts in that category, check the box next to title, and all of them would be selected. Then I can just choose Trash from bulk actions and click Apply. The advantages of the Quick Edit feature are available in a more limited form using the edit function of bulk actions. Here's how that works for posts and then for pages. For bulk editing posts, suppose you create a new category under Packages for the city of Kingston and you want to add all relevant posts to that category. With bulk edit you do not need to leave the post listings screen. Check the box next to each post you want in the new category. Then choose Edit from bulk actions, and click Apply. On the left side of the highlighted area is a list of all the posts you checked. Beside each is a circle with an X, clicking that removes the post from the edit, so there's still time to change your mind. Then simply check the box for Kingston Packages under Categories, click Update, and you're done. Every post you edit will now be in the new category. Keep in mind that for the categories and tags, you can add them only to posts using bulk actions, there is no bulk removal. Following are the bulk edit functions you can simultaneously perform on a group of posts, such as assign to one or more categories, add one or more tags, change the author, allow or disallow comments, change the publishing status, allow or disallow pings, stick or unstick, and change the post format. The bulk edit feature on the Pages screen is more limited than the one for posts. Following are the possible parameters you can bulk edit for Pages. Change the author. Assign a parent page. Assign a page template. Allow or disallow comments. Change the publishing status. It may be that you've been running a blog on a popular blogging platform such as WordPress.com, Blogger, Typepad, and others. Even if it's just a dozen or so posts, that's a lot of material to be copying and pasting to your new WordPress site. Fortunately, WordPress has a powerful set of import tools, which you can find under Tools. Select Import on your admin menu. Following is the full list of current tools such as Blogger, Blog Roles, Categories and Tags Converter, LiveJournal, Movable Type and Typepad, RSS, Tumblr, and WordPress. When you click any of these, you're asked to install a plugin, which is easy. Just click the Install button. At that point, you'll have a set of instructions, which includes details of how to prepare your content on the old site or blog for importing. But note that, for importing content from another site, you must have a text file that you exported and saved to your computer by using the export tool before. This export tool is just below this import tool. Then, you can process your importation as I implemented here. You can also affect posts and pages in general through several areas of the settings menu. For allowing or disallowing comments. By default, WordPress allows comments on both. If you look under Settings, select Discussion near the top, you see a checkbox that says Allow people to post comments on new articles. This checkbox is active by default, but you can turn it off anytime. For assigning your home and blog pages. By default, the homepage or front page in WordPress consists of the 10 most recent posts from all categories. However, you can change that on the Settings Select Reading screen. You can see the default setting for the front page is your latest posts. The other choice is to make one of your WordPress pages the site's homepage, by clicking a static page and choosing from the drop-down menu next to front page. Other admin settings for posts and pages. On the Settings Select Writing screen, you can change the following: default post category and default post format. If your theme supports these, a list of available formats display here, and you can choose which one will automatically be used for new posts. Of course, you can still change the format for any individual post. On the Settings Select Reading screen, you can change the blog pages show at most. The default is 10 posts. A value of 20 posts seems nice for archive page. Keep in mind that this setting affects not only the homepage, if it shows posts, or the posts page if you've set that, but also any listing of posts showing anywhere. I finished here the video. If you find it useful, subscribe for more video. Thanks and see you soon in the next videos.